Hello guys, hello people. We are back again on what's on your mind today. So it's another day, another great opportunity that we are having to share a little bit on one of our topics that we have for today. So today's topic is being ready or being teachable. Yeah, being ready to learn or being teachable. Being teachable. Yeah. So we are in a world that is evolving each and every day. So as the world is evolving, we have to be learning each and every day. Yeah, because each and every day something new comes, and it's probably a wonderful thing. Yeah, because maybe for the phones they started when they were very ugly phones, but now they are wonderful, beautiful phones. The iPhones, the Samsungs, and the what have you, almost every other company. Yeah, phones now are wonderful. More so, even the cars, they started looking somehow even, yeah, but now they are beautiful cars, the Bugattis, the Ferraris, and the Lamborghinis. So yeah, things are evolving each and every day, and as things are evolving, then we need to be teachable. We need to be ready to learn. Yeah. So that is what we'll be talking for today, or what we'll be sharing for today about being teachable. Yeah. So since life is evolving each and every day, new things come in, and the old things that we have stuck in our minds have to go away, or they have to leave our minds. So for us to do that, we need to learn or we need to be ready to be taught new things, or we should be teachable so that we can learn wonderful and greater things more than the ones that we heard before. Yeah, so mine is just to maybe echo us a reminder that we should be teachable in life. Yeah, we should take away the attitude that you know everything in this life and you don't have to learn any other new thing. No, you don't know everything. Even me, I don't know everything, and also you don't know everything. Yeah, we need to learn each and every day. The ideas that people had 100 years ago, or 50 years ago, or 25 years ago, some of those ideas we need to have even now. Some of them were wonderful ideas, they were good ideas. Yeah, and we need to maintain those good ideas also. Yeah, so it's time that we have that attitude to learn each and every day, or to be ready to learn, or being teachable each and every day. And because we always learn new things. That is why from the phases that we undergo as human beings, when you are born, you grow in your childhood state, come to being a teenager, you come to adulthood, yeah, you become a youth, then you go to adulthood. Yeah, all that, yeah, they come with different things, and you learn new things. That is why you started from nursery school, for the PPs, PP1, PP2s, yes, class 1, class 2, till class 8, you went to Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, till Form 4. You are learning new things. Yeah, and for everyone that was teachable, they understood and got new things, they passed their exams, till now they're having their job, their businesses. Yeah, so it's because we had a mind that is teachable. Yeah, we always wanted the teacher to come in class so that he or she can teach us, so that we can get something new from chemistry, from the biology, from physics, from mathematics, then in Kiswahili and English, for the languages. Yes, we always wanted to learn something new. Yeah, and I remember some of us had this idea that if a teacher repeats something, you could even raise up your hand and say, no, that one we studied the other day. Yeah, and the teacher will maybe shift to another thing, or he or she maybe will say maybe he or she noticed that people or the other students didn't understand the topic, so that's why he or she is repeating now. And we were very energetic to learn, to be taught new things. So the same spirit applies even in life. Yes, even in life you have to be teachable. Learn new things each and every day, implement them if you can. If you can't, try to implement them. Yes, because after all, each and every day you will learn something new, because the human process is all about learning. You'll always learn. You'll always, everywhere that you go, in your business you learn, in your job you learn new things, because the world is evolving in tech, in each and every part, in engineering, in every aspect. The world is evolving. Yes, and as it is evolving, we need to be ready to learn each and every day. So learn, go through the books, go through the motivational books, go through the financial books, learn new things each and every day, and be ready to be taught new things. Yes, be teachable each and every time, because after all, some of us have closed good opportunities because we were not ready to learn. Just a simple thing. Then now you are there, you are jobless, you have nothing, because it's because you just didn't have the opportunity to let somebody teach you something good that will change your life forever. Yes, so be ready to learn, be teachable, and allow yourself to get more ideas, new ideas. If there's an opportunity for you to learn, learn. Be ready to learn, be ready to be taught new things, get these new things, these new ideas, and make yourself resourceful, because when you are resourceful, everybody will be looking for you. But if you are not, nobody will come after you. Yeah, everybody will be looking for the ones that are resourceful. So learn each and every day, get new ideas, get new things, study new things. Yes, improve yourself in tech, in language, in everything that you are doing. If there's an improvement that you can do, go for that. Yes, be teachable each and every day, because when you do that, yes, you get good ideas, and probably you'll be successful in your life, because you'll be changing your ways of getting things done each and every day. So mine was that guys, my people, let us remind ourselves of being teachable. Just be ready to learn. Maybe there's something you didn't know yesterday, but today you know. Maybe it's in TikTok, maybe in Instagram, in Facebook, on Twitter, that something new came up and you didn't realize it happened, and now you know, oh, such a wonderful thing happens. Yes, it's because you learned. So be ready to learn, be teachable, and accept to be taught new things. Tell your mind that I need to learn each and every day. When you wake up in the morning, tell your mind that today I want to learn a new thing. Just allow me internalize another new thing in my brain, so that I can achieve more and I can get new ideas each and every day, so that I can succeed in each and everything that I do, in business, in jobs, and in everything that you do. So thank you guys as you ponder on being teachable each and every day of your life, and remember to like, subscribe, and share, so that you can get more wonderful topics to learn, and sometimes you'll be entertained. Be ready for that. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you.